walking in my shoes. If you try walking in my shoes. Morality would frown upon, decency looked down upon. The scapegoat fate's made of me. But I promise now, my judge and jurors, my intentions couldn't have been purer. My case is easy to see. I'm not looking for